Yeah, I ain't going with a cut or.
No.
I ain't going with a cut or a cut.
Damn.
What's it called? So I gotta be careful.
Hear me?
Yeah. My cut or a cut. I got it.
Alright, what's up, guys? This is your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Back at y'all with another snowy video. Getting ready, you know, a little late. Had to wait for the kids to finish their schoolwork and chores. So now we getting ready to go out here and who knows what we getting ready to do. But look at this. Look at this. Look at these. God damn it. Look at the streets. This is what's going on. And it was snowing a little bit harder than this. So not real slippery, but we're gonna take the Ram out and see how she do out here with the road looking like this. And who knows whatever else we gonna do. So stay tuned, enjoy the video. Hope you guys make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button for me so that way to help the algorithms. Oh, damn it! Keep touching this fucking thing. It helps my algorithms when y'all give a video a good thumbs up. So please give the video a big thumbs up, comment, and as always, I always comment back to everybody. And you see, I got the kids out here playing. Zip your coat up and stop before you grabbing the truck with no gloves.
I can't.
And you got D out here. So now let's stop playing for a minute. Go get my thing out the truck so we can wipe it off, because look at it, y'all. I mean, stop for a minute. Where's my dog? In the truck?
Yeah.
Oh, he got in?
Yeah.
Take them crutches out. Yep. So we out here. Oh, what?
So where's it at? I can't see.
Kids get on my nerves. Here, just take this. That's it. Take these things out.
Jen, can you take them in the house, please?
That's asking for snow.
All you had to do was move your stuff.
And maybe clean it when we get home.
So we're gonna start this monster up so the dog can get warm
My fingers hurt already.
and we can clean her off. So like I say, stay tuned, man. Get them a little B-roll of the truck with the snow on it, please.
And do the B-roll.
What you was gonna touch the truck for?
Had an idea, but. She a little icy. All you gotta do for the doors, Dad, is open and close them.
I did. Mine, it popped right off. It came right off.
Yup. Real easy. Well, most of it came off that time. Like magic, right? I'm about to say we should just let that fly off while we're riding. It's not like it's heavy.
It all don't fly off.
Yeah.
You can't have it.
Well, yeah, you're right on that one. Yeah. Back roads.
That's all we live at.
I mean, we got some main roads. What you write, Trent? Ram. Driving a picture of the big black Ram.
No. Park D.
Huh?
Park D.
What?
Park D.
Why D?
Because I know you can drive. And also you need to drive more. So, Park D.
Trent. No, easily what you can do is slippery. And that already looks like an M. Ram. Ram. What's that up there?
A big. Just a nut.
A nut?
Yeah, walnut. How about this?
Careful, it's slippery.
Oh, what do you want here?
Come on. Hmm?
Here.
Finish the center, Trent. Trent, you gotta finish the center of it.
What did I finish? Oh. Oh, the center of it.
Look out.
There's something for you.
Ram. What?
Wait, I'm right
Oh,
there.
hi.
I'm writing something.
E. What's that, an A?
Yes. Go that way. I can write something for you.
No. Okay.
Go this way.
Right here.
R-A-M.
Ram.
Ram.
Y'all see that? My daughter put the big ram on there. Oh, you forgot the big ram.
I don't know what she's putting up there.
All right, come on.
What are you writing?
Yeah. Trying to. Yeah. I could have moved, but
Why does it smell so soft on the road?
that is natural. Yes. There's snow dogs. Yep, they'll come rescue you if they need you. You need. What the hell was that? A lot of people creeping down the hill. Hope you can turn this corner.
He had his hazards on.
Maybe said, hope you can turn this corner.
Yeah, he turned on his hazards.
time ride, y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. First, been what? I ain't go riding in the snow really last year.
He did the donuts.
He did a donut
In the Magnum.
Yo.
And we did donuts in the Escalade too.
Yeah,
so,
you did. I forgot about that.
Yep. So if y'all want to check them videos out, go back and check them
We
out.
can put them in the description.
Escalade, I'll put it all in the description. The Escalade, the Magnum, so y'all can see all of that winter footage that I did with the Magnum. I had fun. I ain't gonna lie. You know, the Magnum is just two-wheel drive rear, so she just spun.
Real easy.
You know, quick. And we ain't have a lot of space to act up, so therefore now we got a little space that we get ready to go to, and we're gonna go play for a minute. Yep. I think it's you waiting on somebody. That's Jeep right there.
No problem.
Yeah. We're gonna go get some petrol. This is what winter look like.
in the snow time.
Yeah.
The winter time and the fall time. Exactly. Even though it isn't winter yet, it's fall.
Give y'all a little footage of our little Christmas stuff they got going on.
They got stuff going on at the theater.
Yeah.
Stuff going on down there. Last year they didn't even.
There goes Sean.
Oh yeah. No rust on the side. I thought he covered that with tape.
It was the passenger side he did with tape. If I'm correct. Last time I remember. It was the passenger side. And we out here in this weather with these people. Some of these people don't know how to drive and some do. So, you know, always be cautious of the other people.
I think about the spirit
You know?
snack day.
Cautious of the other people. People that feel like they should be out here driving and they shouldn't. Yeah.
Oh, look at that! Look at that car. That one looks awesome.
Oh,
I think I got a tractor out here.
because they plowing.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's a straight tractor that has no top over it.
Huh?
What? Dang, these people must be cold.
Alright.
Whatever.
I'm gonna run in this store real quick, y'all.